Heto na kami ngayon bilang masayang Katoliko. Ayan na po, kami po ay handang magpaliwanag anumang inyong mga katanungan, lalong-lalo na tungkol sa Epiphany or the Three Kings or in the other known as the Magi, ating kapatirang taga-ibang sekta. Ano ba ang Epiphany, Brother Bo? Brother Bo, pasok. Ayan. Nag-research ako mga kapatid. Kasi hindi pwede hindi tayo mag-research.
Epiphany po, it was actually Jesus Christ was manifested into flesh. Dating ng tatlong magi, no? Ang tatlong magi po, they are from the east, no? And some scholars believe that they are from Persia, no? Persia or Babylonia, which is Iraq right now. Persia is Iran, because they are the one who read, they understand the movements of